Here the question asks, which of the following is a true statement? We have options A, B, C, D, and E. So if we look at the different options, it looks like they're about normal distributions. So we'll take note of that. So option A states the area under the standard normal curve between 0 and 2 is twice the area between 0 and 1. This is not true. The area will always be 1. We'll say area equals 1. So it will not be more whether the lengths are 0 to 2. B, the area under the standard normal curve between 0 and 2 is half the area between -2 and 2. Also, this is I guess this is asking about the standard deviation. Now that I think about it, this option A is wrong because that's not how the standard deviations work. Because between 0 and 1 is going to be more than between 1 and 2. B, so this is going to be correct because 0 and 2 will have 2 standard deviations of data, and then -2 to 2